Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We got a massive windstorm today here in North Vancouver. And we got trees falling. That one snapped. You got all this brush over here. Hit a big tree, just exploded. Smoked that car there, it's still in good shape. Hit that car there. And Bear's got a poop. Massive windstorm. We got a raging river. Look at this river. It's so swollen. This river is never this big. So he's like excited. He's like, oh, I don't care. There's puppies. Hey, hey. Look at the speed of that river. Usually this is just a creek. It's a creek no more. And you got this guy. He's like, I don't care. Let me play with my stick. I got a stick, daddy. That's part of the tree right there that snapped. It's going right across the river. That's crazy. That thing's massive. They just keeps getting crazier. So the tree fell just over here. Smoked those cars. I was parked in front of that white car. The tree just missed me, so we moved. And then we just heard this transformer explode. Which is weird. It was a big puff of smoke, but no other trees fell down on it, so I'm not quite sure why it did that. It was crazy. It's just blowing the shit out of these trees. Crazy. And the wind's only supposed to get stronger. That's the crazy part. I think that's the next one to go. Oh, here we go. We got some cracks. See, I was smart and I came to the side where those trees should not hit me. But one of these trees beside me just cracked. I'm more worried about that big one right there. The one that's got leaves on it, but then there's another one right behind it that's like dead. This is crazy. Welcome to BC. This chick's just standing there. All these trees cracking, she's just standing there like nothing's going on in the world. Some people are dumb. They're dropping like flies now. One just fell here and then another one just fell over there. This is crazy. So I just talked to the city and told them that they should come shut this sidewalk down and stop these people from going, because that is so unsafe. I don't understand how people walk under dead trees like this in a massive windstorm without a care in the world. It's beyond me. It's so crazy, bro. Oh, there goes another one. I can't believe that these power lines are still standing, to be honest with you. It's nuts. Now we got this homeless guy here collecting firewood. Right underneath two big dead trees. People are not smart, I swear. There's something in this BC water. Has to be. There's another one. Oh, maybe not. They're bending, and they're bending good. This one right there is like barely hanging on. That top is barely hanging on. I'm surprised that's still standing. City, they're now here to block off that sidewalk with some cones, try to get people to stop walking there. So it's extremely dangerous. I told them to be extremely careful. These trees are ready to go. Power's out in the mall. People still in here though. Not even any lights on the highway. That's what the windstorm done to us. The windstorm's knocked out 85% of the power to the city of North Vancouver. It's crazy. That right there is a gas station. No gas for you. But the city lights work. Make that make sense.